In this video, we're drawing a dinosaur. Hey everyone, welcome to another Monty Plonker art class where we use simple tricks to make fantastic pics. All you need are some colouring pens, pencils or crayons, some plain paper and a dice. Dinosaur. Dinosaurs are where we roll a dice to draw our very own dinosaur. So first we need to fold our paper into 6 squares. Just going to mark each square with a number. 1, 2, 3, and at the bottom here 4, 5, 6. And that's really just a reminder for myself. Each of these squares relates to each number that we can find on our dice. Now there are 3 parts to our dinosaur. 1 is the head, 2 is the body, and 3 are the legs. And how we roll our dice will tell us where we're going to put our 3 parts of our dinosaur. Let's roll our dice and see where the head of our dinosaur is going to be. Number 5. I'm going to grab a colour. So I'm going to start with a horn. And its head will come down here a bit. It's got another horn at the front of its nose. And then it's got this little lip here. Oh, my dinosaur's going to be smiling today. It's got another horn over here. Okay, we've got the head of our dinosaur here. Now, I'm not going to add anything else because I don't know where the body is going to go. You would assume, wouldn't you, this is where the body goes. But this is a dinosaur. So let's roll the dice and see. 3, 2, 1. Number 4. So somehow we're going to put the body of the dinosaur here. I'm going to keep this shape very simple. I'm just going to do an up and down there. And I'm going to do... Where are the legs going to go? How am I going to do this? I'm just going to do that for now. The legs have to go in either 1, 2, 3 or 6. Let's roll the dice. Where are the legs going to go? 5. Well, we've already got the head there, so we can keep rolling. 6. How are the legs going to go from here to there? So we have a head, we have a body, we have the legs. Now comes the crazy part, where we need to join it all up. If I wrap this one around here, this part, connect it there, it sort of looks like it's just bending around. Let's bring it around, and if I just connect it, it looks like it's got a pretty strong neck. How are we going to do the feet? I think we've got all of this space up here, and look, this is a dinosaur, not a dinosaur. So I think we just go all out and do something super wacky, which is bringing the body around to here. How high am I going to go? That high apparently. I'm going to move this around here to create some sort of tail out the back here. This looks absolutely wild. Let's add some colour. I'm going to add some green to create a background. It doesn't need to be too detailed, but just gives it a little perspective of where this dinosaur is. And I'm going to add some blue as well to give an impression of the sky. What about some more colours on the dinosaur? Let's start with a green. I'm just going to go around the edge of our dinosaur. But if you wish to colour in the whole picture, then please feel free to do so. This is just a quick and easy technique I like to use. I'm going to add some grey for the tail. I'm going to use a different green around the face. I'm just introducing a different colour on different parts of either your dinosaur or any drawing really. Just makes it pop that little bit more. Some grey for the horns. Adding a little bit of brown for this section. Some red for the mouth. And what about this ginormous body? What could we do? What could we add? What do you think? Just going to add some lines to bend round. A very simple trick to just add a simple line or two to fill up a very large space. I'm not sure the perspective on this is correct. Going to add another colour here. Let's add a little bit of grass. What about something in the sky? What could we draw? Maybe some birds. A little sunshine in the top maybe. Fancy drawing a few mountains just in the background here. And there we have it. Our ginormous dinosaur out in the mountains, fresh air, plenty of grass. Yay! Thank you for joining this Monty Plonker art class. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.